with the transfer foil, this is going to be your bestie. You know what? This is so beautiful. This can be a background of any. You can do whole entire designs with the foils on the top, or you can use it as a background, so you can do French on the nails. You can do any French of any colors compatible with that. You can use this as a French, and then you can use this colors as a French. Well, this one I did add the sparkly whites on it. We should do a French looks. We should do French on this last two. I'm gonna do French on it for you. So we're gonna use this one on that nails. I want to do different colors on this one. You can should change, give me the different colors. And here is the 3 colors. And the next one, maybe we can do this color. It's like have a rainbow of, what is that? This is an amethyst, like amethyst. Okay. All right, done. This one done, and then we're gonna using that foil. You can do it this. You can do any in any of the angle or spot that you like. The good pressures, good rub on. Oh, this is sparkly white. It's really cool. All right, so it transfer everything. So let's do some crystal placement on this. You don't have to do a lot with this. We're just like doing a little. And condensed glue gels again with the no wet top coat. You can do it matte finish if you want to, okay? You don't have to do a shiny. If your clients want a matte finish, add the matte top coat over on the top of the condensed glue gels instead of the no wipe shiny top coat. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this the condensed glue gels, and then floating new no wipe top coat on. This one can be matte. It looks good because it has a shimmery, sparkly underneath. Floating on the top. And then we're going to add some drop on it. So I'm not using the opal from the first kits, Ultimate Crystal kits. And then I have a magenta from the second kit. And you can alternate it. You can, if you want to use one color, absolutely, you can. And continue, add them on more. That's it. I didn't want to add any. I think we stick on that. I'm gonna get the arrows from this crystal kits. It looks. Can you scoop that one on the tray for me?
Imagine.
Yeah. Thank you. This is amethyst for all of you. Our birthday in February. This is your month. I'm adding this beads on. It looks so beautiful. And add on. And again, all of the design I am sharing with you, doing with you. It's just for the preference, and you can take off like 1 or 2 crystal. You can add 1 more crystal, less. It's up to you. You do what it makes you happy. You do what makes your clients happy, and you do what the clients is willing to pay you. You can able to create so many designs without worry about limit your creativity. This one need to go down for a second. This one need to be in. Pop more on that. Okay. That looks so cute. You happy with this? Let me check on the other side. Just make sure that it's not going like off on one side and the other one is not. Make sure they're in the center. But hey, if some of you are like it in off on the side, do it. Do whatever it makes you happy. Okay, here for 60 seconds.